And as time progressed, you see the common theme, why decline is the understanding of Islamic creed and belief, because the whole system, the governance of the Caliphate system or the Khilafah was based on understanding Islam, the sources, the Quran, Sunnah, but their understanding weakened over time, which made it that they couldn't access the Islamic sources directly. So as a result, like you mentioned in this talk, like the scholars are saying things which were haram, technical advancements were haram, because their understanding became so weak. But then this weakness of Islam then allowed the Islamic civilization to weaken. And then this allowed other ideas to seep in, like you mentioned, nationalism, which then these internal issues came together, then allowed the external enemy, French, British, to come in and deal the final blow to end the Khilafah.